Welcome to another episode of TL's Hobby Center. Before we jump into today's video, please leave a like and also subscribe, and leave a comment if you have built this car yet. This is my first time building this one, so I'm excited to get into it, see what we got. This one actually has a pretty cool looking box. The graphics, I guess you can call it, for the box. Looks like it's on a pretty cool racetrack, and it actually shows a real picture of the car here, as you guys can see. And this one actually looks like it's fairly close to the original car for the most part. I mean, all in all, it looks pretty cool. I'm excited to try it building this one with you guys. As you can see, there's not too crazy much going on in the box other than the cool pictures. The model number for this one is 76906. It's a 1970 Ferrari 512M. It's 291 piece puzzle. So I think we're pretty much about it. There's a official product of Ferrari, and yeah, I think we're about ready to jump into this. So let's go ahead and snap into it. There we go. We got ourselves 4 pieces in this puzzle. We got one bag. We got two. This is a 2-bag system. We got our building book, and then we also have our decals. And nothing too crazy about the decals. Pretty standard. Nice little detail of the dashboard, at least, and the little Ferrari insignia on the looks like for the front bumper, I'm guessing. Yep, for the front nose piece. So that's a nice touch. Then we got, I'll try not to crinkle the plastic too much, but all the pieces in the bag 1. I also got all the pieces in bag 2. All the wheels and everything else, fender flares and more. And not exactly sure how many steps are in this one. If all seems to be correct, on page 102 or 103, there should be about 103 so-called steps, but it's 103 no, I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's 103 steps, I'm gonna assume. So that's pretty much about it. Not really much more to talk about, so I think we can start jumping into building this one, and we'll go over what we got. So let's go. Well, there we go. We got ourselves a Ferrari 512, all built wasn't too bad of a build. Actually, this one was actually pretty neat. Looks pretty cool. I like the build. It's pretty cool how this one went together. This one has different swivel joints for the whole front end, lights, everything. To me, it looks pretty dang accurate to the original car, I would say. For not seeing one of these actually in person, it's pretty cool. Obviously, I'll show pictures of, they got the side view. Got a front view. And we got a rear view. So I'll let you guys decide on if you think it's accurate or not. It's pretty cool. You can see the cockpit of the car. He's ready to go, start racing. Little Lego guy even comes with a little set of hair. So he has an extra piece for his accessories. Car rolls around pretty good. I mean, wasn't that bad to build. I mean, this one probably took about maybe an hour and a half at most. But we're going to see what size it looks like compared to the Lamborghini Countach and our 1970 Dodge Charger. And these are the two other Street Champions series. So, and its runner-up, it's pretty darn close to being the length of the Lamborghini. So that looks more accurate on that end. This one, a little bit bigger. It's up in the air. But these all turned out really good. I'm excited for more of these to be coming out. And see if they ever create a bigger model of these, any of these. I know they do have the Charger. I'm not worried about that one right now, but that's an eventually buy list. And then we'll have it compared to a Technic series car. And as you can see, it's still pretty small, but the common person can build this and have fun with it. Yeah, that's really about it. I would recommend buying this one. Fun build. It'd be fun for those who are. This would be fun for someone who's a big Ferrari fan and likes to collect Ferrari stuff. So this would be a good one for their collection. All in all, not too bad. I would build this one again if I could. But that's gonna do it for us. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next build. Have a good one.